In this video, I will show you how to split one column into multiple columns. So we have this example data. Firstly, select it. Then in this data tab, click on it. Here click on text column. Here guys, in this original data type, you have to select delimited. Then click on next. Here you have to select delimiters. It can be tab, semicolon, comma, space or other. In my case, we can see we have this space between two words. Then click on next and click here and select your required column where you want to split this column. So I want to split in this two column. Select it. So B2 and C2. Here you can see the data preview. Then just click on finish. Like this. So this is the way guys you can split column in multiple columns in Microsoft Excel.